Hey, what's up? Scott Davis here. If you like video tours of Victorian homes, you're gonna love this video. Today I'm in historic downtown Columbia, Tennessee, checking out a 1900 Victorian home that's been completely remodeled. Let's go check it out. Okay. So right away we notice sweet bean staircase. Look at this. Make sure it's focused. Look at that chandelier, how beautiful. This is gonna be an awesome tour. All right. You're gonna have tons of high ceilings in this house. I mean, I don't know how high that is. It's, I don't know, 15. Gosh, I don't even wanna guess. Super high, all of them, even the upstairs, wait till you see it. All right, first things first, you walk in. Nice big open foyer. Here is your formal living room with rocking chandelier number 2. The windows in this property. I love that they kept the original windows and they refurbished and made it work. You get so much ample natural light in this property. These old houses like this are so, I mean, this restoration was really amazingly done. Okay, and then look at the doorways. Walk, I mean, this is just so cool. Formal dining room. Awesome chandelier number 3. Nice little wet bar over there. Looks like they got some Blanton's bourbon and some, what is that, Jack Daniels? Get that out of here. Tennessee, come on. We don't like whiskey, we like bourbon. Okay. There is a difference, by the way, if you don't know. Bathroom number 1. Got a feeling we're gonna love the flooring in this place. By the way, this is listed for 1.4. Attic access right there. All right, we got a coat closet. Oh shoot. Yes, we do. Okay. All right, look out. Ta-da, the kitchen. This awesome chandelier number 4. I'm losing count. Okay, all marble countertops. Wow, look at this. Custom cabinetry. I'm only that open for a second. Back there, so if I can get a good view of this. Gas. You've got gas here. Look at that. Let's see. Man, the finishes in this place are really awesome. Hey Scott, where's the fridge? Oh, you don't see a refrigerator? Well, let me show you. If I'm not mistaken, and I'm not. There it is. How cool would that be? There's your freezer down there. Oh, it's got the soft close. There you go. How would you like to say it? I've got a fireplace in my kitchen. All right, now we go to the butler's pantry. Look at this. Microwave. Oh my goodness. Little mini fridge. Check it out. Little hidden spot here. This is so, man, this is sick. It's like a Batman cave. All right. And you got your breakfast nook in here. Check this out. Awesome chandelier number 6, I think. 5, I can't remember. Flooring. Oh, totally restored. Original flooring. mirror. Let's see what I got here. Oh man, like I'm in England. This is nice. That's your garage over there. We'll go check that out. Uno momento. Walking distance to downtown, historic Columbia, Tennessee. I should have said walking distance to historic downtown Columbia, Tennessee. All right. Did you notice the island? It's a cool table. That's right. Okay. Onward and upward. Oh yeah, by the way, flooring, like I said, totally restored this. How kicking is that? Oh yeah, we've got to go check out this bedroom. Oh, it's a dark room. But lots of natural light, so normally I don't like dark rooms. We have ample lighting like this, it's nice, okay. The windows just make this place, you gotta check that. Come check out this place. Windows, I'm telling you. This shower, nice. You think this shower, this bathroom is awesome. Just wait till you see what we're gonna look at next. Okay. Onward and upward. This has been so well done. If you're in the area, I hope you get a chance to tour this place. If you'd like to tour it, here's a great idea, call me. I would love to show this to you. This would be fun. All right, look at that. That's so cool. This is bedroom number 2. If you can see how cool this is. It's like porcelain rosebud. All right. Here's another bathroom. That's great. Ta-da! Tile is so awesome. I mean, the finishes, the selection, accessories, the way they accessorize this, it really, talk about so custom. Look at this flooring, man. I mean, this was like a lot of work. Okay, so we'll go this way. Bedroom number 3. Look at the ceilings, by the way. This is like, I'm not kidding, 15 feet high. So great. Really get into the little detail. Another wonderful chandelier. And this technically is not a bedroom. There is no closet. step down, use your washer, your laundry, washer and dryer. Here is a huge closet. Okay, so there you go. If you'd like to see this or any other property in the surrounding Nashville area, please reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. I'm Scott Davis with Hive Nashville. I hear from people like you every day and I love it. So I would love to help you on your real estate journey. And if you like video tours and walkthroughs of homes like this, please like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.